Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you'll then need to take off the case if you have one on your device, and the tray is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and you can see that the tray will pop out, enough for you to be able to just grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray I actually have space for SD cards, so I'm going to grab one, and this is a dedicated spot, so you just place your SD card here. Now in terms of SIM cards, you have two different spots, and you can use both of them at the same time or just one. And in terms of one, you don't need to worry which one, just place it wherever you want. And carefully insert it back into your device. And these cards should start working right away, as you can see based on the pop-up, to verify my SIM card pin. So that unlocks my SIM card. And SD card should be working as well, which we can see right here, Samsung SD card, tap to set up, so it is also detecting that as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.